What up, YouTube? It's your boy Kota, and today we come with another reaction video. And what we're reacting to is how to stop anyone from snoring. Let me find out. This video brought to you. I will leave everything in the description. I'm gonna edit that. How's everybody doing? While you're here, like and subscribe, share, help your bro grow. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the video. Did you see his eyes? Did y'all see his eyes? Oh my god. Yeah, you snore like that. Counts. Alright. That was the end of the video. I mean, that is a good idea to stop anybody from snoring. Alright. Like I said, once again, like and subscribe. And it's your boy Kota. I'm out.